What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are in our miniature Target because when I was walking around the real Target today, I went over to the toy section and found Mini Brands books. I have been looking for these forever, so of course I grabbed a few. What? $9.99? Am I going to complain about the price? No, I'll just do it in my head. Zuru Mini Brands Books has 40 plus iconic minis to collect, like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, with real readable pages. We have been making mini books for a while with real readable pages. So I really like the idea of mini brands with just books. When Toy Mini Brands came out and had miniature books, I was so crazy about them. I even think I said it would be nice if we had mini brands with just books. So am I taking credit for this? Yes. Yes, I am. Nah, just joking. But no, seriously, I am thinking it. This capsule is made with certified recycled plastic, and my nail color totally matches. Let's go ahead and open our first capsule and see what we got. There's a collector's guide showing us the different books in this collection and their availability. There's legendary, iconic, luxury, ultra rare. However, these three look like the ones that came with Toy Mini Brands. Rare, with Clueless and the Burn book. I actually just finished a free printable inspired by that one. Then there is Common, and we actually get some pretty good titles in Common. Vampire Diaries and Stranger Things. Wait, is that Stefan? Where's Damon? We have 4 paper bags, and we can totally see through the paper to see which book is inside. I believe this one is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Am I right? Yes, I am. It's a miniature paperback book, and here are the pages. It says that they're readable, but it does not look like those letters are all fully formed. However, page 1 is very readable. The cover is nice and sharp, as well as the spine and the back of the book. Now, I totally do not feel bad about having books with only 2 readable pages. Our second book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. It's a hardcover. We can read this page and this page, but after that, the words are a little fuzzy. But I do like that the books are coming in different sizes. That's pretty cool. Our next book is Stranger Things. Yes! This one is also a paperback, and it looks really good. And I also have my own Stranger Things inspired book in the works as well. Oh, and there was a tiny little bookmark in the bag. It looks like a map. It is printed on both sides, and I think it might be plastic. And we can see all the different bookmarks on the collector's guide along with a magnifying glass. And our last book for our first capsule is Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. It's a hardcover, and we can read the first page. For $9.99, I got 4 mini books and a bookmark. Let's clear off this shelf to make room for the books. At $9.99 per capsule, we're paying about $2.50 per book. And of course, there is the possibility of getting doubles, since these are surprise capsules and all. And here we have a paperback of the BFG. Kind of interested in seeing the Vampire Diaries though, just saying. This one is from Toy Mini Brands, so it is a double for me. But you know what? I'm totally not upset about getting doubles with books. Holiday Inn and another bookmark, which is a double. But double books means more shelf filler, Pride and Prejudice, and Zombies. And I am all about that shelf filler. Often when I craft my inspired books, I make doubles anyway. So I can't really get mad. When comparing my crafted books and the mini brands books, some of them are about the same size, which is cool. And you can read ours too. See? Okay, so there are 40 plus minis to collect. 37 are books. I bought 10 capsules, which was $106 with tax. What are the chances that we are going to get a complete collection today? Yes, we got another Stranger Things book. This one is a paperback. We are on our third capsule right now. Second book, which is hardcover Dogman Unleashed. And we have some illustrations in here. The chapters and blank pages? Wait. Oh yeah, okay, so we have drawings here, but then after that, the pages are blank. Our third book is a double, which I did say I wasn't going to get upset about. But if we want the whole collection, we can only get 3 doubles. Please be Vampire Diaries with Stefan on the cover. Let's check the titles off the collector's guide. Don't forget the bookmark and add them to the shelf. Capsule number 4. If I'm just being real, I don't think we're gonna get the full collection today, but we do know that we will get 40 books. Goosebumps, Deep Trouble. It is a paperback, and I'm loving all those little printed details. The next book is another Goosebumps, Night of the Living Dummy. Honestly, I can't. I did not read Goosebumps when I was younger. They scared me. But honestly, it doesn't take much to scare me. Weeping Angels had me terrified for years. No, it's our second double. We can only have 3 and we're already at 2. But we did get a new bookmark. And the fourth book from our fourth capsule is Library of Souls. The spine is really cool. I think we can recycle these paper bags. Lay it flat and crease the sides. Use a ruler to make another crease on both sides and across the bottom. I use the same measurement for both folds on the sides and at the bottom, but at the bottom I measured starting after the closed seam. Then open it up, and on the sides we're going to fold a little creased triangle here, and we're going to fold it under. Let's secure those corners with a little tape. Recrease the edges, and we can even fold it in a little. Yeah, this is working. Let's trim a little off the top. Take it and cut it into 2 pieces. You know, the part we trimmed. Then just twist it over and over again, leaving the ends flat. I use a little tape to attach it inside to make a Mini Brands Books shopping bag out of recycled materials. Now we can open capsule number 5 to find more books like Bunny-cula, Goosebumps, The Haunted Mask, reminders of him and a bookmark, and oh, what's this? The magnifying glass, and the book, The Twits. And yes, the magnifying glass works, so we can read the first page of each book. We can pretend that our dolls are doing a little holiday shopping and place the books inside our little DIY recycled bag. Love it! And the bag is totally a perfect size. And we didn't get any doubles. So there is still a small chance that we could end up with the whole collection. I know you're thinking, Toya, come on, that's never gonna happen, but I'm choosing positivity. It's our third double. If we get any more, it will be impossible to get the entire collection today. Unless we don't get any repeats from Toy Mini Brands, because in that case, we can still get 2 more doubles. No, it's another double. And another! No! Well, there goes that safety net. If we get any more doubles, it will be impossible to get the entire collection. And this one is a triple, of course. And now it is time to readjust my expectations. Capsule number 7. Just give me Clueless and the Vampire Diaries book with Stefan on the cover, and I'm good. This one is Black Beauty. I found it in the wild. I was going crazy over this book trying to find it in Toy Mini Brands, and I couldn't get it until one of our Fabsome besties sent it to me. And now it's a double. All right, come on. Clueless. No, it's Bunnycula. I'm just gonna will this into existence. This will be Vampire Diaries or the Clueless book. It will happen. It will not happen. Pride and Prejudice and Zombies again. And the last one is Matilda. We got 3 doubles and 1 new book. Opening capsule number 8, and we still haven't found a Vampire Diaries book. And there's like 3 of them. This is Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Last Straw, and a bookmark. This is the last straw. Nah, I'm just joking. We have like 2 more capsules after this. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's a double. And this one is Mad Libs. And this one has a lot of readable pages. Yeah. Oh, but they're all the same. Okay. Can I please just get Clueless or Vampire Diaries? Okay. Yes! Y'all, the power of positive thinking. It's the Vampire Diaries book with Stefan on the cover. Now all we need is Clueless. We're gonna put that one on the shelf with the cover facing out. Capsule number 9. We are on the hunt for the Clueless book. And this one is a double. Why all of a sudden is Black Beauty easy to find? And that one is actually a triple. We have another Stranger Things. Our 3rd book from this capsule is our 3rd Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. And the 4th book from capsule number 9 is Don't Be a Double. Babysitter's Little Sister. This is a new one. Capsule number 10. There is only 1 book left on my wish list. And I don't know. Are we gonna find it? That's a double for Matilda, but that's okay. We still have 3 more chances to find the Clueless book. Is this it? It's my 4th Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. 2 to go. Just 2. It's a double. And for our grand finale, our last one is another Stranger Things book. It's our 3rd one. With a little creative shelving, the doubles and triples actually look pretty good on the shelf. And by facing some out, we were able to make the shelf look full. But for me personally, this price point is a little high. I would have loved to have seen the capsules as rectangles or squares, and then we could have pulled them apart, glued them together, and made shelves. You know, so I felt like I got a little more for my money. I do like that we can make little shopping bags, and we can always craft our own mini books to add to our library. Before the end of the year, I am trying to add 30 new inspired books to our blog. Right now, we have 3 Lucy Score inspired books, 3 Sue Grafton inspired books, where I have fun making dollhouse friendly titles. And today we are adding 3 more books. Your Plastic Park, inspired by Jurassic Park, Boil Wash, inspired by the Burn Book from Mean Girls, and Miniature Things, inspired by Stranger Things. They even have faux pages at the bottom that can be glued into the front cover. This one was made for the Boil Wash book. And I included the video with the instructions on how to put them together. Our printables are free to download from our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. And if you have any capsules lying around, this could be a fun gift idea. Just place the mini books inside, close it up. I cover it with a red plastic wrap, Then with a larger clear piece, secure the ends with a twist tie to make gift wrapping that looks like a giant piece of candy. And this could work for almost any small gift. And if you don't want to use the red plastic wrap, you can always paint the capsule. And this could be a fun ornament idea, so these can be used again and again. Overall, I think the Mini Brands books look great. However, I do enjoy DIYing my own because then I can get the titles that I want and save a little money. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mini Brands books and our DIY minis. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the frog vlog. Oops. And Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!